Here's SouthJK's Hammond M-143. This is one that I did a repair job on. I did it exactly like mine, except this one has a Leslie adapter kit with it. I've got it hooked up to the Leslie 22H. This one I've already replaced the caps on the reverb amp, so the reverb amp is functional. It's got a switch for main, ensemble, or echo, which is console speakers, console and Leslie and just Leslie, and then Leslie stop and run. Here's the rear view. These are paper caps in here, but they're not in a high voltage circuit, so they won't be a safety risk to leave them in there. They're just in the tone generator. Probably would sound better by replacing those caps, but I started with the amp here, and it seems to sound okay with these old caps in here, but this might be something I want to do in the future to get even better sound quality. Looks like the date on these is 63. Here's the Leslie adapter module. It's got the transformer in it. And there's the Leslie plug module, or Leslie socket module. I put a new 10 microfarad cap in there. Again, we've got 3 fuses in the power circuit, one for all power coming in, one for the main electronics chassis, and another for the reverb chassis. The Leslie speaker has its own fuse, and the main fuse will protect against shorts at the Leslie connector. The main fuse, I use a 6 amp. For the main electronics chassis then I used a 1.5, and for the reverb chassis I used a 1 amp. That'll help give better protection in case of a short in any of these. So we'll go ahead and start it up here and see what the performance is. So you can either do just the console, or the console and the Leslie. May need to adjust this volume pedal. I'm not getting quite as much volume as I did before I had that put on, before I had the linkage connected. So that's the Leslie on. We'll switch it off here. Oh, I need to turn the vibrato controls off. That's why I was... That's on. And that's off. So there's the repaired Hammond M143. And I'll try later to actually make a video of playing a tune on it.